Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Wix website for local event management business. So with a professional Wix website, your local event management business can attract more clients and showcase your expertise. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can simply create a website for local event management business and how you can go about it. So wait for the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to do is to log on to your Wix website or sign up for Wix website. Then after that, click on create new site, and you can also select business and services. Then after that, from there, search for event management template or choose a similar one. Then once you choose, then you can click on edit to customize the template. And after that, add your logos, which is to go to the plus icon, then click on image, then upload and add your business logo, then set an hero image or video. Choose a high quality image or video of an event you've managed. Then after that streamless event and unforgettable moment. And also you can add a city button for like get a free consultation or book now. Then after that, you can also add a key page about us page. Then briefly describe your experience and why clients should choose your service page. And after that, you can list your service. For example, you can list for a corporate event, wedding, or private parties. And use the icon or image for each service. Then also your portfolio page, showcase your previous events using a gallery. For that, you can go to add, then click on the plus icon, then click on the gallery, then upload your image. And also you can also add testimony page, which is a client reviews with their text or video testimonies, which is, and after that you can also add the contact page, which include a contact form, phone number, email, location, and all of that. And after that, you can also go to add, which is the plus icon, then click on the button, click on contact, then click on the contact form, and link Google Map for in-person consultation. Then after that, you can go to the Wix app market and install Wix booking, then create a booking calendar for free consultation or event planning section, and set up a automatic confirmation email for clients. And after that, go to the dashboard and click on marketing and SEO, then enter relevant keywords. For example, you can enter like event planner in, then put your city. And after that, you can also enable the Google business to appear in local search. Then after, they can also add social media link for Instagram. For example, you can use Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn to the foster or header. Then after that, you can also start a blog with event planning tips to attract more visitors. Then after that, go to dashboard, then click on blog, then add new post. Then once you preview your website and to check all features and test form, booking, and mobile responsive. Once you're satisfied, click on publish. Then your website is already live, and